Go. Now we have music. Okay, and then on TeamSpeak I'm gonna stream.
Okay. Let me get this going.
Yeah, stream here. So you have a more up to date stream about what I'm doing. Because having trying to have a conversation with like 5 seconds delay is, I don't know, kind of taxing. Oh, and good afternoon?
Yeah, I gotta change it up a bit.
Yeah. Oh, by the way. Uh-oh. We have gotten finally our first moved wrongly on the server.
Our first what?
So, let me start streaming this.
Moved wrongly?
Moved wrongly.
How in the world do you move wrongly?
That's the thing. Usually it's cheats. Yeah, so... Yeah, we got a Henka moved wrongly. This is our first. You know, can't believe you get to code how Wyncraft works. That's so cool. That's not what we're doing. We were gonna, I was gonna show my dad a couple of the quests I made, and then we were gonna go do Wyncraft. Yeah. Oh, also I'm gonna try to eat food while we do that.
Oh, this is a multitasking individual.
Huh?
You are a multitasking individual.
Well, yeah. Okay, so we go to Autodesk Kingdom main server because this is where I actually put the quests.
Yeah.
Also, wait, before that, in the airdrops, we have the same airdrop that we had earlier. Let me max screen this. I changed it up a bit. Rather than getting that test item, so that it doesn't have like just what is it called? Placeholder item. I actually put an item. It is a stick that allows you. It's called an extendo grip. It's a stick that if you hold, it gives you +2 reach.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, so that's good for mining. Oh, good for mining, whacking dudes. It increases your range, you know, so you can do everything with +2 range.
Okay.
Silly Henka. Did it say anything about what they were doing? No. You see, the thing is, when people move wrongly on boats, aka move faster than the server can predict, it always just said move wrongly and then a bunch of chords on when and where they moved wrongly. But when a person moves wrongly, it's actually really hard to get a move wrongly without using cheats. It is possible, but you have to do so extremely server stressing stuff that you can't really get it. It can also happen when the server lags, but the server wasn't lagging because when you go to the server, let's see, here's the, where's the move wrongly? Here is move wrongly, right? Okay, well, logged in on entity. Well, he might have been on a boat then. Yeah, he was probably on a boat then. Cause you logged in with an ID into the world with an entity ID. So people logged out with on a boat.
Maybe he didn't want to die somewhere.
Yeah. Anyway, it gives a stick. And then this is the one that's the skeleton surprise, aka summons a bunch of skeletons, you know?
Yeah.
Massive amount of skeletons spawning. And
So
also
this is very funny that we this is what I call the best coding in existence.
Yeah. Well, this is definitely going around, you know, the earlier issues.
Yeah, since you can't really stick a loop in there, you know.
Yeah. It's like a for loop for like 8 times or something. Very simple stuff like that. But here you can see execute at is Minecraft. Percentage at player is airdrops. Then the rest is, you know, Minecraft again. That's there. You see the percentage ad player also works on quests, so that's an interesting one. Then closing this and going to the here. Check this out. Also, I'm gonna put the music slightly quiet. Okay, now you check this out. So I got in the quests, I only have the category getting started tutorial, right? That's the category, right?
Yeah.
And this is what it says. Then I have the quests. I found out that you can actually put quests into folders, and so that you can sort them easier for yourself. I have 3 quests. Very simple. I don't know how important PvP is, to be fair. Well, on this kind of server, it's not that important. Of course, on a server with like 50 players, increase in reach could majorly confuse people.
Or somebody takes over everything.
Well, this is a quest that everybody gets to do in the first like 20 minutes of their gameplay. So
yeah,
you know, because it's kill a couple of mobs and then survive the skeleton storm. You know.
Yeah.
All right, then we go. First quest. I made the task a block breaking thing where they break grass or dirt type blocks. Yeah. It was called Getting Started. The lore was basically a guy trying to find something in the ground and asking the player to search for it. This is finished for. Please check 5, soil, and see what you can find. And then it said reward is question mark. So I didn't tell them what the reward was.
So is it able to render those strange characters?
Yeah. You see, this is actually just the what's it called? Visual Studio not understanding the character. Character OOF6 or is not a classic ASCII character. Doesn't matter because Minecraft can do that. All right.
But
then,
when it displays, it looks like finish.
Yes, it does.
All right.
And then when you have started, it's funny because there's now English and Finnish. Your current progress is the mining progress out of 15 maaperää tarkistettu, which is again soil checked. So out of 15 show, okay, the images wouldn't show, and then what it does is gives a player a golden carrot,
a glowing carrot.
A
golden carrot. Okay, I didn't hear you correctly.
This is the part where I got really angry and really annoyed because I tried to go over here, item generator. Okay, I went to this site. I love using this site. This site's epic. What I was gonna do is give a golden carrot with a name. Something like this, with probably the name being like orange or something, with an some kind of text, and then attributes, and I was gonna make it super energetic, like give out like 100 food, so that fill all the hot food bars. It would have been really cool. Maybe even make it so that when you eat it, it gives you an effect, because you can actually, when consumed, get an effect. You can actually give something. You could have done so much. Oh, but fun fact, the quest is unable to give NBD data items. They don't know how.
Okay.
Or I couldn't figure it out whatsoever. I didn't like it. Also, Trichik is saying a lot. Oh, okay. If it's a common, then that's fine. But is it repeatable? So if they lose the stick, it's gone forever. Yes, it is a great site, and also yes, it is one-time use. And there's no crafting recipe for the stick either, which I could probably introduce. But I thought, it's kind of the idea that even in Wyncraft, you can find really good items at the beginning, but no one really knows if you should use them. and then you throw them away, and you're like, oh, I should have used that. You know, then you play the game through again with a new account. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. Then also, it's about a part of the tutorial category. It isn't repeatable, so nothing after that matters, but also sort order number 1. I'm actually gonna open up. I'm gonna open up Minecraft so that I can then show you these quests when they.
One thing I was wondering, could you do quickly about that golden carrot and the NBT data, is to show the command what it looks like with the NBT data.
Oh, okay. This is what it looks like. So.
Okay.
What you would do is. Okay,
could you make that a little bit bigger?
Yeah. Well, let me put it here. Okay, here we go. And if I do give like this, like that. Oh no, like this. It is unable to do this. This is not gonna work, you know.
Okay. So you custom name is special carrot, like italic false, color is gold, and then you just kind of fake lore. Were you going to include that lore part?
Which lore part?
If you follow along the line,
yeah,
it starts with text special carrot,
lore?
italic false, color gold. Yeah, lore. Were you going to include lore?
Yeah, because you see, you would want to be able to summon any custom item, not just like some defined ones.
Okay. I wonder why you would have to, specifically say italic is false, for example.
So that it doesn't do italic.
Well,
what?
Normally things don't do anything unless you specifically tell them to.
Well, you can, of course, delete this. It's like false on both.
The default will never be italic.
Mm-hmm.
So get rid of those two, just so I can shorten the line a little bit.
Okay, wait. I think it's like this.
Yeah, because you have to get rid of that additional comma.
There you go.
Okay.
It's still red. Wait, I know,
but it's just to make it shorter so I can see more of the line. You don't have the view to word wrap, so.
Okay, 1 second. View. Word wrap, and then let me zoom.
At the very bottom, yeah. Okay, now I can see the whole line.
There we go. But also, hey, wait, Tree Chicken says, I think what is happening is that it thinks the quotation mark is a string ending, so you would need to put the whole string in a smaller quotation mark instead of the double one, as I'm sure replacing this in NBT data with this might not work. So basically what they're saying is, notice this first command. They're saying rewards are string, run this thing in chat, it's end of string. And here it starts a string, goes good, ends string, and then everything after the ending of the string is goofy.
Well, you remember when we asked GPT how to fix this, they put a lot of these backslashes to cancel out the...
This?
No, the other way.
It works! Wait, we should do that. First of all, I'm gonna copy it, because I don't wanna try to do that every time. Oh, this is stupid.
Yeah, it is. But This is,
Okay, well, theoretically now it's
programming.
defined. This is defined. Also, I'm gonna...
So now you could see if that would work, but it may still not work.
First of all, I'm gonna close this and close this, and we're gonna go to the test server.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to mess with the main server, you know. Tutorial 1. Okay.
Yeah, I agree with Tree Chicken. You would think that that would be the best way to go, but with just the single tick quotation mark. But sometimes that doesn't work, and you still have to. Oh, I forget what this is called when you put the backslash in front of.
Is it like almost commenting out that this is not a function? It's like, oh, this is not a function. This is just text.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. First, we're gonna try this, but I actually want to try what Tree Chicken is saying in chat.
Yeah, change everything to just the single tick.
So this is the start, and this is the bottom. So, and then is it just this? And then delete the... I'm gonna delete all of the backslashes.
Yeah, you have to get rid of the backslashes now.
Because we don't want them to mess with the test.
Yeah.
Okay, so this.
Okay, Tree Chickens is saying not all of them, but just the first quotation mark.
Okay. So you're thinking try to end it with the correct one. Okay. I think I know what they're trying.
But you notice your text, everything was correctly.
It was, but they are going to do this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. See if it does that.
Let's save that.
Oh yeah, it did take it.
And so we're gonna do 32, or we're gonna do 20 of these. And then this one, I'm gonna do 15. You know what? This should be okay. Well, we'll save this. We're gonna run the test server and
yeah,
try it out. Yeah, let me also start up Minecraft so that we can see stuff. But should make ignore special characters. Yeah, not everything, just the start and the end, or you can do everyone inside of it. But the thing is, we're trying to do the least amount of effort. So I think, because look, this is using these marks. Okay, let me zoom in so that everybody can see. Okay. Wow, that's horrible. Okay, they're using these marks in default Minecraft and also this site. So to make it easier for us, we just copy this, turn this into the weird player mark, and then just define it with different start and ending. I think that would probably work. Least amount of keys played on a computer is the strategy here. Okay. Yeah, that's still having an issue. Ah, man, I hate these flies. Banana flies are the worst.
Yeah.
Here we go. My 7-ish years of Python coming in clutch here. Yeah. But it's interesting that the mod could, if the mod actually accepts that, that's interesting. Okay, slash quests. First we check if I'm able to do it. Okay, no need. It doesn't tell me the reward, but I'm gonna slash quests a reload just in case. Oh yeah, let me go into the files and delete all those quests. Quests. This. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of those. And we're gonna get rid of 4. Save. Save all that. Okay, now go back. Yeah, no errors. Okay, so then we do quests. We click the first one. Accept the first one. break some dirt. Very interesting. It only gave me one cookie. Or one of these carrots, and it's not one of the non-modded ones. Now I'm gonna delete the first one. Because we know it can give carrots. That's not interesting. We're gonna... Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do quests. Admin. Mod data. Full reset Earnest Dinosaur. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, we should quests reload. Okay, there we go. What is the server saying about that? Oh, they don't say anything. Because oh, by the way, I figured out that you know this text here. Oi, oi. Global task for No, make full screen this. Zoom in. It's talking about our carrots. Global task quest. This generated an exception for unhandled exception execution, giving the ad player this massive text of stuff. Okay, wait. I have to zoom out because it doesn't wanna. Is there any way to word wrap this?
I don't know if you have that ability here.
Layout, height, window size. Wrap text output on resize.
But if it's like checked, then it should be wrapping the words. Your width is 237.
Yeah. Height is very long. Height is infinitely long for some reason, yeah. Well,
yeah, the height doesn't matter. You want that as long as possible, but it's the width.
Okay, well, I will read. Unhandled exception executing, and then they give our command. Consumable. Yeah, undefined. And then to spawn 15. In org bucket crafting command vanilla command wrapped the /give.
Let me just say that at the actual information that you are interested in is the caused by at the end.
Caused by Mojang Regier exception command syntax malformed Minecraft consume component not on map undefined at position. So let us destroy the consumable undefined thing.
Now you remember that we were having this problem earlier that you had to have the item in all caps.
Oh, but the earlier golden character was not caps.
Did it work with not caps?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Check this out.
Because it was not finding the items earlier when it was not all capitalized.
Okay, what does it say now? Same thing. Caused by Minecraft consumable, not map. Let me delete it from both. Save. Okay. Reset quests. Oh, and also reload the quests. There we go. Okay. It doesn't like whatever the Minecraft consumable means. It doesn't have this. It doesn't understand what's consumable.
Yeah. Or it's malformed somehow. So that when I see that malformed, it usually means to me that there is a way to write it correctly.
Yeah. But to have it undefined, I don't know if we need this. Because now we have gotten into our hands.
Well, I would use Chat
Very
GPT
strong.
at this point because you know, they have made Chat GPT or one of these AIs to help with coding. So it's one of the major points for this AI. So it's very useful in finding out what is wrong.
Oh, by the way, wait, let me slash effect give at a hunger.
Okay, that is actually another good question. Is if the thing that you get, is it actually edible, or
I'm
is
trying.
it like actually a non-item? It just looks like a carrot.
Special carrot, golden carrot. It has. It says it has 50, whatever 50 hunger bar bits is.
It looks like.
It has fully given me max food.
Okay, well that's good. It's
So-
good that it works.
Okay, so then the next. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry, Tree Chicken, you were wrong. It does not understand this thing. The mod syntax doesn't like these characters, even though it is a correct way of coding. It's not a correct way of this mod specifically.
Yeah, because it looks like the mod itself or the plugin is expecting double quotation marks at the beginning and end of whatever command you put in there,
Oh, we know.
and
I'm wrong.
it
Okay.
uses that to know what to do.
I'm actually wrong, because we were given 35, and they worked actually, because I actually got 15 and 20, and that's kind of what I made here, 15 and 20. So actually, never mind. It works. Both works.
Okay, well that's excellent. That means it's coded really nicely so that it takes the various methods.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it can give custom items. I'm assuming of any length, and that is being now tested. You know, what we're gonna do is this is going to have basically everything that I can ever imagine. Okay, special carrot.
Yeah, how dare you doubt my coding prowess?
Here we get this thing.
It's more like I'm doubting my own coding prowess.
Okay, here we go. Lorem ipsum. As much lorem ipsum as physically possible. Okay, that's good enough. Also, why not lorem ipsum in the title? Okay. Then what we do is we give it like every enchant.
Are you now checking to see how long the lore can be?
I'm checking how long the command can be without it messing up.
Breaking everything in existence.
Attributes. We give it 30. I'm gonna give it a couple, like, let's not scale, but oxygen bonus 1. Yeah. Sneaking 1. Okay, yeah, there's a couple of those. No rules. Yeah, that's good. Make it a glider, why not? Yeah. And make it a chest piece. I think it's ambient. No. Yeah, I don't remember all the names of those, so I'm not gonna try. It's gonna have default speed, damage per block, like 10, yeah. And it's gonna be, I don't know what these are, but you know, it's gonna be acacia and acacia door and button, yeah. Yeah, why not? Yeah. I'm also gonna make it unbreakable, yeah. Okay, now we take this. We take this thing. Make a new line.
What were we reading? The last time we were doing this that said 32,000.
That was the max size of a Minecraft command. Oh,
Okay.
what is it not like about this one? Does lorem ipsum have?
Oh yeah, look at that. It may have all kinds of marks in it.
It does have one of those. Okay, so can I use any other? Can I use
Well,
anything
uh,
else?
well, normal lorem ipsum doesn't have any of these marks.
Can I do something
What you
like?
did was you took the English, which has like possessive markers and such.
Okay, what is the lorem ipsum like thing? The first thing I looked at, not the first. Okay. Yes, it doesn't. Okay, here is lorem ipsum without those markers. Okay, we go back to the item text. In the name, and then a couple of times in the text. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good, honey. Now we copy this command. Oh, we like that. Okay, slash give at A. This is gonna be given the layer. Okay, so now I should give an insanely stupid thing. And it should give me 5 of them.
Okay.
Okay, so then we quest reload, quest check me, and open the quest, take the first one. Oh, okay. What is this? I don't know if that's a Python exclusive though. On start and end. Triple question marks, I think? Okay. It gave me more of these, but it didn't give me the other thing. What did it not like? Really? Still the same? Yeah, it hates this. Whatever this is, it does not like the Minecraft consumable. So, Control F. I'm not even trying to find that. Okay. What? Oh, so I did something, didn't I? Yeah.
Control F. I'm not even trying to find that.
Consume.
I mean,
Consumable undefined. This shouldn't exist. It doesn't not like that. Yeah, there you go. Save that. No, I don't understand what I'm looking at. Should we use any of our efforts to try to actually find the correct way to find out how to consume?
well, again, I would go to ChatGPT because they are kind of set up for this. if you're going to go ahead and go down the rabbit hole.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, I didn't expect Minecraft to do this. It's
Wow, wow, that's an interesting concept.
I've never seen that in my life. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't even wrap.
It doesn't wrap at all, and
No.
it's like you can read it. You can read it up close.
Oh, that's hilarious. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be honest. Remember, if it works without it, then I wouldn't worry. Yeah, because look, you can eat them. I think consumable means specifically this one rule.
Okay, but now we have to figure out what is the command to wrap words.
Oh,
Or
that's. I'm pretty sure
sentences.
that's easy. You write rather than having it. Okay. Rather than having it like this, is there any chance of making this bigger? Okay, no. You do this stuff. I think if you do this stuff. Maybe? No? Okay. Maybe not in the name, but I think in this it's possible to do it. You know?
Do what?
To make it wrap. I think if you do something like this.
Well, I was wondering if there was like in CSS.
Oh
Some
yeah,
kind
look,
of...
if I just put an enter between them. So yeah, if
Yeah.
I
Yeah, but it would become terrible if you had to do a new line and figure it out yourself. it would be better if there was like one command that could like determine the size of the display box, and then, you know, like with CSS and HTML, you know, that you could get it to look with just one command. That's why I was wondering if there was one.
Oh.
Because I think that like with Hypixel, they have been experimenting with this so that they don't have to constantly go in and change text and put new lines in. And so some text now goes really far out, but it's still limited by the bounding box. And older text, you know, it all had those new line markers clearly, because that's just the way they look. They would always look the same, no matter how you would change the visual system. That is just wild. Hello.
But I think what you're talking about is done. Okay. You know, okay, if I put the massive thing in here, it does give at a carrots custom name and then text. I think this is the first line of text. So if we put another, you know, if we do something similar to this, if we did something like, oh, take this bit and put another text in there, I think it would be in the second line. You know?
Okay. That would be interesting.
We would have to test it. But this is cool.
Oh yeah. Have that show up on everybody's screen and let them all laugh hysterically. What are you doing?
This, I mean, fills the entirety of the screen.
Yeah.
When equipped. Oh yeah, can you equip it? Yes, you can. You can equip it. Isn't that epic?
Wow. Okay.
Okay, well, we have found that that's actually... Wait, I'm just gonna... There we go. Okay, well that's kind of, that removes the need for airdrops specifically for item drops, other than just having fun on the side.
Yeah.
Because the whole point of airdrops was, another one was giving multiple of the items that I can't give through the mod. But because now we clearly are able to basically produce anything.
Yeah,
you know?
the airdrops I thought was just like a visual flourish, not like a necessary thing.
Yeah. There we go. Save that.
Like, you know, chickens popping up saying, "Hey, we got something for you."
Oh, wait, actually, let me check something. Okay. Well, first, what is this? Okay, S. It's funny. It even says gave special card Loren Ipsulum and then like the massive thing to Ernest Dinosaur.
It's a very verbose carrot.
Okay, so what am I trying to do? I was gonna summon a mob. Now I wanted to check, was there a like summon this and then make it drop something specific? Items. You can't have it drop 100% drop chance. For custom items, copy a give command and paste it in the tag column. What? For custom items, copy / give command. In most cases, okay. But my thing is, okay. Attributes, add mount, group tags. Rotation team tags. Let's ask the internet. How to make a mob, or actually, yeah, we could use AI now at this point. Okay, well, what was your earlier ask
Oh, I
about
don't
the,
know. That's so
wasn't it
long
like
ago now.
consume? Was it the
Yeah,
consume
we
thing?
were having that error to find out if there is some way we could change the thing to being undefined to defined to somehow. Uh,
Okay,
what are we missing? What do we not know?
okay, wait, I'm gonna first. Hey, I'm using the quests plugin to let players get items or tasks. I'm using the words hold up, rare words like this, like this. Two, and then massive thing, and then I'm gonna do this. And I get an, oh wait, I already found a work around to make this work by removing the consume undefined, but wanted to know of a way to let that variable stay in. Here's the error from console. And then I copied this thing. Oh, that's the wrong thing. How much did it get? It got it all. Okay, good. Issue running in is because of the part of the item NBT. This Minecraft data parser expects a valid JSON value and undefined is not valid. In Minecraft NBT system, okay. Numbers, string, booleans, maps, lists. Okay, so replace undefined with an empty map or omit it. If you intend to have a blank consumable tag, do this instead. Okay, so let's try it.
So
Let's try
just
it.
get rid of undefined and put in
Yeah.
open and close brace.
Let me take this. Rewards. Okay, can this be like the default, the word wrapping? I don't understand. What can I give? Was this the wrong lorem ipsum? Okay. What's wrong with this now? Okay, so this space, a single space was the issue. Okay. You know, sometimes
Yeah.
I think coding
Oh.
is just made for trolling, okay?
No, I was actually looking through the docs on this, and they said that if you're having troubles, make sure that the indentation is correct, and that's what that is. That's called indentation. Just having it line up properly.
Holy moly, by the way, Twitter can be saying stuff. Okay. At what point did I now not start reading the chat? Okay, gave you 35 carrots, so both worked. How dare you doubt my coding? Knowing how long Wyncraft items lore can sometimes be, I think you'll be okay, but yeah, go test, okay? That is an issue, triple quotation marks. This was the thing saying that you could theoretically do this. You know? I'm gonna save that and we'll try it just because it's funny and we should try it.
Well, it
We are
seems
in
to-
Java. What are you saying?
It seems to accept that, but I've never seen that before.
We'll leave it in and see what it likes. Quest reload, quest reset, and start this. Okay, I didn't get it, and also the error probably showed up. Oh, it didn't even error out. It just didn't consider that a thing.
Wow, okay.
Okay, so this has to be, like, considered reasonable.
Yeah, because Tree Chickens is saying that you misunderstood. Basically, she meant quotation marks. Wait, does that work? Yeah, we try everything and see what happens.
Oh, triple quotation marks. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I don't know if triple quotation marks would work. We would have to try it with the other text with a bunch of the quotation marks in the middle and see what happens. Okay, we have saved this. You know, we reset, reload, and quests. Still didn't get it. And now this time it should have the error. Does have the error. Consumable undefined. Okay, so then, or if I remember correctly, consumable undefined.
Yeah, just change it to open and close brace.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Save, save. I don't know why control panel open, but nice. We do this again.
No. Triple quotation means ignore all quotation marks until you read another 3 quotation marks. Oh, okay.
Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, we have to go back to reading chat. Because not working sometimes. Yeah. Although it was depending on whatever language you're using, some don't care. Last 4 mags don't include this. Last 4 mags not included this.
Messages.
Oh, okay, yeah. I should have read. But the problem is I don't know where I was, so reading that is actually, kind of too late. Okay, quotation marks. Wait, does that work? You read my question marks as question marks, SMH. I know it doesn't in Python. No, triple. Okay. So we first of all, I got the item, and so yes, doing this to consumable is a way of, like making it not do it, right? Now you're saying that giving this, oh, that's the wrong. Tun, tun. And then at the end, tun, tun, tun. Oho, helkutisti. Okay. And then I will into the text throw in some of these. That's the wrong. Oh, it didn't like that. Oh, it doesn't like it. But let us still throw one in there and save. Oh, triple quotation means this. Okay, so this is actually the wrong one.
Is there a way to make the chat bigger?
Which chat?
The chat in YouTube.
I don't know. It doesn't. Yeah, that might be a language specific one.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any.
Oh, what now broke? Oh, okay, I just threw that one in there.
At least in YouTube, I guess you could change the size of all text, but that would just become a big mess.
What happened? I didn't understand why it said what it said. Oh, so I can't take it off? Oh, curse of binding. Oh, that would be so mean. Okay, I have now put a carrot that is an indestructible item onto me.
Yeah.
You can't take it off. Wait. Oh. But it is, like, it does glide you. Because I what is it called?
Well, that's weird.
Because I put glider on,
Yeah.
so you can glide with it. You know, with the carrot.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Now, can you use rockets with this? Alright. You can, but... Custom elytra? Yeah, you can do custom elytras with the, this thing. When you're, give command generating.
This reminds me
tools,
of this really funny author called Douglas Adams. He wrote this thing that if you throw yourself at the ground as hard as you can, and right before you hit the ground you miss, then you can fly.
Ah! Okay, that is some childlike thinking right there.
Yeah. It's one of the funniest things I've ever read, and
it's up there. It's I like it, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna tell my kids that, definitely. Easily.
and they'll be asking you, "How do you miss?" I say, "Well, that's the trick, isn't it?"
Yeah.
You know.
How do you not hit the ground? You know.
Yeah.
There's multiple ways to, you know, delay hitting the ground, and that's what we have been doing for the last like couple of years.
Yeah,
I mean,
if you keep missing the ground, you will be flying. That's right.
That is how it works. Okay, but basically, I will now quickly go through the other quests. Don't need the test server anymore. Don't probably need Minecraft either, but okay, we will go back to Ara's Kingdom.
But at least now we know that some form of NBT data can be used.
Oh, no, that was all forms. We just put an item with every single NBT data basically in there.
Yeah, it's just getting the syntax right is always the issue.
But this is why I hang out with you, because now we have figured that out, and I was having a hard time / not gonna figure that out on my own, so.
Yeah.
So here are the quests on the server. Key, number 1, we already saw this, you know. Basically, basic stuff. Actually, I can get on the server and... Oh yeah, that will take its own time. Your current progress, all this cool stuff. Then the second one was block place. The amount is 100. I called it getting a home. Let me mute this. A new version of Minecraft Spigot. Ain't nobody about that life. Alright. This is why live streaming, so some random nerd will give you really niche tips and tricks.
Exactly.
Like, I have to say, for me, streaming has never been about getting big or getting money. I always thought, oh, I'm documenting my dad for when you don't exist, you know, when you die. And then all the random people who pull up are pretty cool, you know.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. So the second tutorial quest was block placing, getting a home. I heard that you live under the, you know, the night sky. Would it be time to get a roof? This is all translation, right?
Okay, now that's funny because there's this old saying, "Get a life."
Yeah.
It's like, okay, get a roof or get a home.
Yeah. Then this will require you to build 100 blocks. Reward 16 glass, because I thought they would want windows in their new house. You know? And
yeah,
then
because you need to be able
glass.
to see the sun and moon overhead, right?
Yeah. But this is where it got a little bit more progressively confusing, because yes, it goes still to the same category of tutorial, but then it requires the last quest. So this is what that looks like if I do... Okay, my inventory is kind of wild. Okay, if I do such quests, notice that these are quest locked. So getting started, You have not
Yeah.
completed the requirements for this quest getting home. Request, requires getting started.
I,
Same with this
underst-
one.
I understand that you can turn that off so that you don't have to make quests dependent on other quests.
That is, well, you just simply don't have this tag in there.
Oh yeah, okay.
In the options, you just don't require anything, and
But
it
did
all
you
works.
want it to be dependent?
Yeah, so that the tutorial quest would be like a one after another. Then I was thinking of having another category called daily tasks. So every 20 hours you can do some kind of task, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, why making it 20 hours is because, okay, I don't know, I don't like, oh, hey, go to Hypixel every 24 hours to do something. And, that's not bad, that makes sense. Okay, 24 hours. I can guarantee you, it's called, I would call it like shifting slightly. Oh, hey, you know what? Every day at, let's say, 7 o'clock, I have time to go do this quest on Hypixel. It's every 24 hours, right? But
Yeah.
maybe some days I come 5 minutes late, like a normal person does. Okay, now that's 5 minutes later, so it's now 7:05 and then 24 hours. So every 7:05 I can do the same quest. Again I get late. And then I'm like 7:10 or 7:15, and slowly it will become that I will have to wait a full day because let's say at 9:30 or 9:30, I don't want to do any my Hypixel quest anymore, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's still 24 hours, so you just wait you skip a whole day to reset the timer back to like 7.
Yeah, that is a real issue.
Because that's why if I'm doing daily or repeatable quests, they're gonna be under a day's. If they're daily quests, they're gonna be under a day. Also, do I have any food? But I'm not supposed to be playing my Minecraft server. Also, you love my cows. Look at this. I made a massive farm.
Yeah.
Look at these eggs. By the way, these guys keep throwing. Like, I didn't think of it. It didn't register in my mind, but these guys will, massively drop some eggs.
Yeah, that's right.
So what I do is I get the auto clicker on. Oh, that's the wrong auto clicker setting. Okay. Again, I need to check this out. And then you can sit on top of the eggs, wherever they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, here they are right next to me. And then you can deploy all the eggs.
Try to
My
make
chicken count is going up much faster than my cow count, even though I'm not feeding them.
Okay, even the baby chickens, they stack.
Oh yeah, they do.
All right.
But they do have to be still near each other to stack.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the tutorial style system. 20 hours makes sense. I hate like 24-hour stuff. Yeah. Because for me, it's always been a gripe on servers where it's like, oh, 24 hours. Because it just feels stupid. I don't know. Even 23 hours and 30 minutes is better. Because then there's a chance you go the other way and do it earlier. But like,
yeah, I think at least Hypixel has fixed a lot of those things, but it used to be like that where you had to wait a full 24 hours.
Yeah. Okay, so check this out.
I think a lot of people were complaining about what you were saying.
Well, yeah, it sucks. Most people won't like a system like that.
Yeah.
But think about this. I theoretically here have somewhere nearing 2,000 chickens.
Yeah.
And I can have a farm with 2,000 chickens and no one's stopping me. And no, not the server. No one doesn't want to stop me because it's not lagging anybody. But we had this friend Lauri. Lauri always on every single one of my Minecraft servers made a farm practically this sized. Okay, somewhere around here that it's like, just a couple of blocks by couple of blocks. Had 500 chickens all colliding. Their server tick rate didn't even want to try. It just gave up and died.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Oof.
But I don't want to stay here doing this forever because it's literally...
No, the idea was just to go a little bit through the explanation and see if we can fix anything. And now we could go to Wyncraft.
Yeah. Because, you know, also I have made a massive farm because since they take the full stack of wheat, these cows do, then, you know, look at these guys coming in with a sword. Oh,
Yeah.
Holy
And at least
moly! Son of a gun!
He wrecked you, boy.
Why are they all with swords?
Somebody has, you know, been messing around on the server.
Okay, my strategy was to pull that dude in, but he didn't like to. This is very difficult. Yo, he's really coming for me though. Okay, don't he? Okay, I'm gonna try to do something here. He doesn't know. He knows. Okay,
He knows
there's no it's crazy how good this guy is. Okay, I think he despawned. Okay, I'm getting like bodied by some dude. Like, how's this? Oh, now I have 1,000 chicken eggs in my inventory. How unfortunate. Okay, 1,000 egg. You know what I want to do is I want to get like I want to go find someone's base, and since I have such a incredibly high concentration of chicken eggs, I want to have a dispenser consistently shooting out chicken eggs from the sky onto someone's base. You know?
Oh, that's
because you
messed up.
could fill their chicken. You could fill a base with chicken eggs pretty easily.
One thing that I liked is that map thing that you have, that I've, you know, where it shows the terrain and everything at people's bases. That is a wild
I should probably
thing that I did not know existed.
Yeah, because look how good it looks.
Yeah.
It even has animated blocks. Like, what in the world? And then if I'm over here, I can like zoom out slightly. Oh, let me do this like that. If I like run around this thing, you can see me running around. I think that's
wild.
really cool. I don't know, it just looks really cool. I like it.
Is the Wyncraft map kind of like this one?
Slightly. Oh. Let me go to Wyncraft map. It does get more clear when you zoom in, but it unlike the blue map where you can rotate and zoom in really heavily and zoom out really heavily. The Wyncraft map is slower at doing such things. Like, you can zoom out quite a much, but this is max zoom out, and this is max zoom in. So this tree is quite big. Let's say Living Gar. You can't zoom in to see everything, but you can zoom in to see quite a lot, you know?
Yeah.
But I think this is a style question. You know, because also I think they do this so that you can't explore the entire map with this, because here I can zoom out. I'm having a hard time seeing where the player is, because I think, yeah, M is online. Is he in another dimension? No, he should be in overworld. I just can't see his head. Oh, here he is. Okay. So, he's chilling over here. I would actually have to go in here and do / blue map update world. Update world. There we go. So if someone has built a base, it doesn't always automatically update.
Yeah.
But oh, there's
to me, this is probably one of the coolest innovations I have seen.
Yeah.
This
Look
map
at this.
system.
Someone has built really cool houses already.
Yeah.
You know? I think there's like even Ara is trying to make this oil what is it called? You know the thing
Oh,
where
yeah.
you drink oil from the water?
Yes. But for the life of me, I can't remember what it's called. Like
I
a
don't know.
platform,
Oil
oil platform.
Is that what it's called?
I
Offshore
think
drilling
there's
oil platform. That's
offshore
what they call it.
drilling. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's what it is.
Oil rig. Yeah, oil rig. That's what most
Oil
people
rig.
use.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, he's trying to build an oil rig. I saw a couple of bases somewhere, or I accidentally saw someone's base. Here's another person made a base. I think it's a tree farm. But clearly some people are just now getting stuff still to build.
But I mean, this is awesome. The visuals with this thing.
Yeah. And the fact that you can zoom in so quickly, like look at this. Okay, from any location, I'm gonna flick and go to the cold biome. Look at that. That's underneath like a second.
Yeah, that is really impressive.
Okay. Close this. Let me open up stream. There you go. Okay, well anyway, it would be interesting to have. Well, actually, you know what? I could theoretically do that is download the entire Wyncraft map and then just download blue maps onto that. And then people could literally just do this on a custom server, but I don't know if they would want that. Because I mean, you can download the map and then just add blue maps to a private server and have a map like this.
Yeah.
You know, with this much response time and everything. Or you can zoom into player level POV.
Yeah, that's amazing.
You know? Because I could come visit this guy on foot, basically. Oh, they have let creepers explode their house. Alright.
Yeah, creepers are a problem.
Because you could also add all of these things on Blue Map.
That person has added no light around his area.
Yeah. I'm not even on Wyncraft and it knows where my player is. I think it's based on IP, which is pretty cool. That's something Blue Maps, I haven't yet to figure out that. You know, having it so that the Blue Map only shows people from your IP. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, it's my cursor? Why is my cursor red? Remove waypoint. Okay. Well, anyway, we're gonna now go to Wyncraft anyway, so I'm gonna close. Was this? Yeah, this is not my. That's not the correct Minecraft version. Also, while we're going over there, I would wanna still show you the third one. So this is the one I worked on quite heavily on. Task mob killing. It kills 10. Oh, major lag because Minecraft's starting. Sorry about that. I called it. It's called Violence is Key, and then it was like I used ChatGPT for this one. Sometimes violence is the only way to protect yourself or others. My dad's hand rose not in anger, but with love. Without that, we would have not survived, or something like that, right?
Yeah.
And then I call it.
You could go interpret that anyway.
Yeah. Oh, I should actually change this. Is this the RS Kingdom one? Yeah. Control S. This, honey, because it actually is killing 10, not 3. You know. So then, yeah, your dad asked you to kill 10, and then rewards possibly killing more as the reward for doing this quest. And then just as a innuendo, I said the other one was a longer stick. Okay. Because and you from this you got the airdrop.
Yeah.
Summon airdrop 1 at player, which actually works insanely. And then that thing gives you that longer stick that gives you the reach. And so yes, it gives you a longer stick, but it's an innuendo, definitely.
That is, it's funny.
And then it requires, and it is in this, and it can't be repeated, and this is sort orders 3. But anyway, that all went pretty well. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
That's excellent. I mean, that's 3 whole quests.
Yeah, 3 quests. And we were theory crafting a couple of the funny ones. Okay, so Trichic, and this was one of them. Well, in my opinion, was pretty funny. Is okay, I don't see if I'm gonna be major lagging till Minecraft starts. That's usually what happens. Just like insane lag till this starts. So I'll talk later. One sec. Okay.
Minecraft's starting up stretch.
Yeah, get those muscles, in order because we're gonna be using them majorly here.
It,
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, everything is dying. Sorry, anybody watching the stream. This will take the next maybe 2 minutes. Oh, but yeah, let's see if. Well, I hope people can hear this. But okay, so basically, one of the epic ideas we had was this was actually Steven's idea was have a guy when an airdrop drops. There's like 4 stages to it. When spawns, when you start unlocking, when it actually has unlocked, when you first open it. That's the 4. And you can actually make it run a command at each one of those 4 phases. And so one of the ideas was, when it spawns, nothing happens. But when you start unlocking it, you get shot up into the space with levitation. And you get like darkness or something. And then on your screen it says, if you move, you die. And then make it so it has spawned a piece of water at the bottom, so that when you fall back down, only if you don't move you hit the water. Something like that. I thought that was pretty good. Okay, now
I think so as well.
I mean, yeah.
These are, I guess,
I
these
think
would
my idea is pretty good. Type energy.
troll quests,
Yeah. I'm gonna have to clear this again, because if there's even more than half of the stuff is standby, there's no hope. We're hacking into the windows to play! This is always bad. Like, look at this. There we go. Just close all that. And it instantly works. Like, yeah, I instantly have my computer back. No system interrupts. If you check this again.
I guess that happens because you are multitasking with so many things going on, and when you start closing them, it keeps all of it like in that expanded area of memory.
Yeah.
And if you don't hear it, then your everything has to work much harder.
Yeah, because it's like, oh, we're using 16 gigabytes for that other part of the stream, which we were working on, like all the remote control, all the websites, everything that we had open.
Yeah.
Major. Okay, I'm in. I'm also taking away the display capture, like that. Well, this is kind of looking like a computer restart. I'm still having FPS drops. And the music is slightly lagging. So give me a second, everybody. I'm gonna restart my computer. This shouldn't take more than a minute. I won't even end the stream because yeah, that's how quick it is. And yeah, the whole computer's back to what it was earlier, so it's absolutely insanely good. Now I just have to make sure people don't think the Minecraft is working against me. Oh, I'm going into the wrong server. I'm gonna get banned. Only. Are you in?
Yeah, I'm here. I was just kind of doing a little bit of exploring around this place, and I've gotten into a house, and I'm trying to find a way back out of that house.
I'm trying to heal because every time I spawn back into the server, I have like 0 health for no reason.
Okay, so are we on the same world?
You're at 12. I'll just invite you.
Okay.
Ah! What was that?
What happened?
You're already... Oh, well, okay. Give it a second. I got kicked. I've been
Really?
trolled. Yes, I have been trolled. Slight amount of trolling, you know. Let's see if it works. Oh. I'm gonna restart Minecraft and see if it works. Cause then it like rechecks the Minecraft authentication servers.
Oh yeah, that's always a problem.
I don't know, man. Wyncraft has started kicking me more and more over the time. I've like when we started playing, we could got to like level 70 without getting kicked once, and now it's kicking me like almost weekly, at least once.
I don't know if you noticed, but we are quite far back in the updating this.
Yeah, but you don't have to update your connection to the Wyncraft server because it is a non-modded server.
No, this is Windtills.
Yeah, well, Windtills doesn't mess with Wyncraft.
You are running build version 3.0.20, but the latest build is 3.1.6.
Yeah.
What is the proper way to update that?
I wouldn't update it. Last time it broke your game, and I'm not about to use half of our rest of our stream to trying to fix our Minecraft thing. Because, you know, we can do it off stream and update it, but on stream updating stuff, because, okay, it either works perfectly or it doesn't. That's, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so are we in the same world now?
No, now I'm in NA lobby. Maybe that's why I got kicked, because they were like, yeah, you're in the wrong universe. Okay, and now you're in 7, so I actually went to the wrong one. Okay. Here we go. Party you. You're partied, we're partied, hello.
Hello. Okay, so what are we looking at?
Well, we're world events?
Yeah, world events.
Ooh, we have a bunch! In Corcus Island in 4 minutes. Hey, we can go do that instantly. Decommissioned war machines. That's the one we couldn't do. You wanna try it again?
Oh, no.
You don't think we have a chance?
Well, if you want to try it, I think we're gonna die, but did you already run out there?
Yeah, kind. I started coming backwards because I thought, oh...
Alright.
You know.
Because it's on the other side of this entire island, isn't it?
Yeah. But it doesn't take much to get there. You know? Okay, this time we're gonna go through the gate. Oh, where are you at?
I'm a little bit behind.
I'm just looking at a guy fly through the sky. Yo! There's a guy like going perfectly vertically at the top of the skybox or something.
Wow, okay.
Interesting business. They probably were going to decommissioned war machines.
Did you go up the hill?
Up the hill where? Oh, you're going off the records. Hey, where are you going?
I don't know which way to go. I don't have it marked.
Yeah, but you know you're running away. Yo, stop moving.
Yeah.
It's this way, in a straight line. Do 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 do. Now we got the weird snake dudes. Your guild has successfully defended Apprentice Hut from Leaf. Because Leaf lost the plot. Yeah, this was the one we had a hard time, surviving. Oh, there's a double XP going on.
So how far away from this place am I?
Oh, where you at? Not really far. Just continue coming southwest like you are.
Am I any closer?
Oh yeah, I come back. What? How'd you go past me and not see me? What is that? How is that even possible?
Oh, okay.
Come down the road back where you were. Yo, dog.
Why did I not see this place?
Yeah, you walked straight past it. I saw you. You even looked at me. I'm thinking this guy must be losing it or something.
I am clearly losing it.
All right, but
okay, so what is the trick here?
Well, first of all, the trick is to make my HUD smaller so I can see. Okay, never mind. That didn't do anything except make it harder to understand what I'm seeing. Okay, what's our strat? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, what should we do here?
We died last time. We shouldn't do that at least.
But in order to stay alive.
Okay. One of the tricks was when a machine has completely stopped in its tracks and the health is under 20% approximately, don't go near it. It is dying and it will blow up and kill you.
Okay.
Okay? That's part one. The big machines did that a lot. Then there's like slightly smaller machines that did that too. So whenever something has stopped in its tracks, like it's glitched, it is dying. And or dead.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. We didn't get to the boss. We don't know anything about that, so good luck. Basically with that one. I'm hoping they target you and I get to heal you and shoot at the boss.
Oh, this is the first time I've seen this balloon up there.
That is probably not a
Oh no, there's that guy. I can't shoot him. Can you shoot him? He always hits me from so far away.
I don't see him anywhere. I think he despawned.
Let's see. I have to go a little bit closer.
No, hey, the thing is starting in like 20 seconds. Don't be going nowhere.
Yeah, because that guy, he can wreck you from so far away.
Yeah, it's one of the guys who gives you one of them avian feathers. You know? Are you ready? Okay, like most of these guys are pretty beatable. You know? Like they don't do much. This guy, okay, this guy does that explosion thing that we were talking about. So when he gets slow, he starts not taking damage. He's, yeah, no, right now, for example, you see, look, he's gonna shoot at us, but he's gonna die. There's a red thing around him. He exploded. You saw that?
Oh, okay. Look at this guy.
And this guy was one of them, what we were talking about. Where if he explodes, you really take damage, like, insanely. Okay, he really does damage. Thank you for the healing. Okay, he's about to die. Okay, I don't know if he... Okay, he's about to die, so don't mess with him too much. This guy also... Okay, that guy's dying.
Here's another one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I almost died. I died. Okay, something really did a lot of damage. Oh, there's a flamethrower guy throwing flames on you. We might not be good enough for this
I
one.
am not going to survive this, I can tell you right now, on my own without you.
Yeah, waves remaining 3 as well. If you want, we can just slash lobby out of this or slash class. You know? So you don't have to die.
Can you take a look at these guys and... Oh, this is the guy that kills me. Oh,
Well,
did you hear that?
No? I have my
Okay,
volume pretty
it's
low.
like you go from tick, 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 and then...
What the hell?
Hear any of that?
Yeah, I
That's what
did.
I'm hearing. And I'm like, this guy's gonna totally kill me.
What the hell kind of sound effects are you experiencing? I should have put my sounds on, dude.
I mean, seriously.
Tick, 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 tick.
And then all of a sudden, all the ticks in the world, and there's no way. I mean, you see your bar go tick. So much for that.
Okay. Well, we have come to the we can't do Corkin Island ones, or maybe we can, but not that one specifically.
Yeah.
Okay, world events. Okay. Oh, okay. Never mind. That's annihilation. Never mind. I was looking at what 4 hours and 36 minutes till a world event.
How many hours?
Oh no. Oh no. You know what? They consider annihilation a world event, which means we'll have to at some point beat annihilation at least once.
Yeah, trying to figure out how to do it though is something.
Well, based on Tree Chicken, you might need a whole like school of people, you know.
Like, yeah, major party.
Hey, one sec. That is such an annoying sound. Hey, I'm gonna go close my door. One sec. It was like how do I explain it? Like a continuous humming sound effect. I can't ever create it because my like 3 different softwares that I'm using are sound canceling, so you can't hear it. But it's like a oh
Yeah.
A consistent without any fluctuation whatsoever. Like a oh coming from outside.
Okay, the upper roots of corruption. A corrupted spring.
The roots of corruption. Wait, what? Oh, corrupting spring. 2 minutes. That means that we would have to TP to Deathless. Where's that bank? Here's that bank. So Detalas.
I am never able to find this bank.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm in Deathless. Or I'm in Deathless in 1. Okay. Don't even put the... Or actually, yeah, why not? Let's just put the scroll back up. Okay. Are you ready?
I have to do the scroll as well. Alright.
Ready?
Which way are we going? That way?
Yeah. It's, it seems to be backside of... Like, it's right here. On this hill. It's not even in the corruption, it's just right here. In the lava pool? You gotta be kidding me with these.
Okay, hey. How do you get out of it? Ah, I'm gonna
Are
die.
you gonna die? Here's some healing, because I was also taking pretty serious fire damage. You're still taking serious fire damage.
Yeah.
Okay,
Seriously,
so...
it's literally in the lava pool.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go up on the spire. You know?
Yeah.
How high on the spire can you go? Okay, hey, if you come over here... you can fight near the spire. I'll drop, like, healing things down on you. And on this side, there's more land that's not lava. But on both sides of the spire. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 36 seconds, and you are in radius. Yeah.
So I guess things are coming out of the lava?
It's a corrupted spring, so yeah, that would make sense. Oh, you know what's cool? Oh, but
But-
still, there's no timers. Oh, it's so annoying. I wish there was a way to code in the quests and or the airdrops mod that would make it so that, okay, you know how you can make mobs spawn, right? But you can also spawn mobs with a velocity. But it would be cool if you'd have like the skeletons spawn. Hey yo, you're straight in the lava.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
I don't know. I think I know. I just saw you jump straight in, dude.
I may have done that, but I'm not sure what happened.
On my screen, you're just jumping more and more in the lava, dude. I can
They
actually
have
reach the
a
other side.
cinder blossom over there.
Yeah, I'm killing some kind of something. Really weak though.
Is there more stuff?
There's this flower that I'm shooting at. Okay, there you go. One target remaining. Are they underneath me?
Yeah.
This is not that difficult. It's funny, I should really be using my main weapon. Oh, I jumped in the stupid lava, dude.
Oh, this is a giant guy. This is the guy.
This is the guy by...
I was like, who is
Is
where
it,
is this coming
the
from?
boss though? Because it doesn't seem like a boss.
It's a giant flower.
Yeah, but that was the boss? Okay, well this was a really low level one.
But good grief.
Even with scaling, that was really weak. I'm just killing everything in the around.
I think I'd leave all the keys here.
Or
Decrepit
in the lava.
sewers, infested pit key, and time lost sanctum key. I'm leaving all those.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Deathless and get rid of all this stuff.
Yeah, I guess. Canyon of the Lost, Corcus Island, Undead Gavalion. Oh, wow, they really got me into the water. Or the lava. I wonder why they don't have it so that when you get into cities you get healing. Like that there's no like in-town healing bonus.
Yeah.
Because if I was Wyncraft makers, I would probably add something like that. Some kind of status that you can see that they're like in-town status. Also, I have not been focusing on doing any of the selling of these items, so I'm slightly behind.
Yeah. Going through my inventory, getting rid of stuff.
Mm-hmm. Alright, let's check out what the list says to us. Joe Fash Docks, Upper Molten Heights, Corcus Canyon, Gateway to the Light, Undead Gavalion. Undead Gavalion and Joe Fash are right next to each other. And the closest TP is Ashmond. Amsword. Never mind. Yeah, Amsword. So I'm gonna go there. Hello?
Yeah, hold on. I'm emptying my inventory.
You only have a few more minutes. I'm going to Amsword.
Okay, so I need to get Sword.
Yeah. Because Joe Fash docks. You know, both things are kind of over there.
All right. Okay, so I'm here. Are you gonna just keep the scroll?
Well, one second, I'm gonna refresh the music. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Hello. We're gonna go directly in this direction.
Is it far?
I don't know. There's probably no way up here for
Did you
you.
go up or down? Okay.
Yeah, there's no way up from there, so I'm gonna have to run the roads for you. We have like 5 minutes, so there's no like insane hurry. Are you trying to climb the mountain like that? I mean, that works.
Well, I'm looking for you.
Or I'm making this really confusing because I'm changing routes really fast. Hey,
Yeah.
Hey, hey, over here.
Where are we
Right.
going now?
I'm gonna go this road. Wait, do you? Yeah. There you go. And then this you can actually just fly over. And then we follow this road. I guess we go around? Or is it down? I don't know really how to get... Oh, it's down. Okay, yeah. There's the dragons that do insane damage. Yeah, watch out for the dragons. You know.
Yeah. They are rough cookies.
Funny. Am's monument is over here on the left. Now, they say that this quest that we're about to do is a level 95 with exclusive items.
Well, we'll probably die here then.
Yes. Yeah, I can't argue that with that. Oh, this is a really large area with a tree in the middle where I'm going to be chilling the entire time.
Coconut crustacean. Okay, these guys have quite a bit of health. If it's going to be like a giant coconut crustacean. I mean, the border goes all the way over here, so...
Hey, yo, come on top of the tree!
Okay, there's starfish or something. Okay, those died. They were not... Yeah, okay. Coconut crustaceans. Well, you see, all of my weapons only work good at this level.
What?
You know, I am actually only good at this level. The same level as everything spawning on.
Are they all level 105?
No, I mean, I cannot shoot things very well from so high.
Oh, you mean like, okay, well, you mean like physical horizontal level rather than like a skill or something like that. Yeah, but I'm gonna stay up here and shoot down, and you just simply have to survive, basically. That's the idea.
Yeah,
I'm gonna throw some healing totems for you.
That was a feral goat.
Hmm.
I don't know if are things coming off of the mountain, because where's the circle?
The circle is right underneath the spike. Oh, and also it's an enormous circle. It's an enormous circle. Do you see where I'm shooting?
Yeah. Yeah,
You
but
see
what
this?
about
That's
what about behind you?
oh, up here.
Really, it goes way up there.
Yeah, but look, if it goes it's about this big. You know,
Are we
it's
gonna
about this big.
are we gonna drive this spike into the heart of something?
Yeah, I hope so. That would be epic. But in world events don't seem to have cinematics, you know. I'm building up my epicness level. Do.
This is a major fishing area.
What is it? What would you fish? Starfish?
And that guy is an abandoned castaway. Okay,
Oh, by the way, 10 seconds left, so you better be in the circle.
I'm in now.
4, 1, and then we start with another countdown from 3.
Yeah.
I can, by the way, really easily
Oh,
throw.
look at these guys. What are these guys? Oh, alms carvings. They become like rolling boulders.
Make sure you chill in the middle, because I can throw it better around this spot.
Yeah.
Boom.
Are we missing something?
What is it?
Oh,
Three
three
targets left.
targets remain. Well, how do you find them?
Are they behind trees?
Are
I
they
think
up on the hill? How do you get up there?
I think they're around my tree. Yeah, there you go,
get them?
honey. 3, 2, 1, honey. Part 2. Yeah, stand right there. Stand right there.
Oh, these guys are so cool looking.
Because I can throw my totems down that heal you. Same as doing damage. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Oh, there's a big dude.
Oh wow, these guys have green eyes.
Your health is half, by the way. Your health is lower than half. Your health is 0. You died. That's not very good. Good that I can cheat. You know.
Wow, this guy is so cool looking.
I don't want to risk losing.
He's like Zeus, where his creations come flying out of his mouth.
Does that?
Yeah, I think you killed him.
Oh, that was not it.
No, there's another wave altogether. It's funny how all these guys are like laying on the ground because they're looking up at you.
Yeah. This is doing some kind of damage to something.
Yeah, there's 2 targets remaining.
There you go. Okay.
Oh, this is even a bigger guy.
I think there's 2.
Ah, there's 2 of them. Okay.
Now, what you hope is... Okay, let me give myself the superpower. Melt this guy.
Oh, this is really cool. Whoever came up with this, there's some creative people in this world.
This might be like the most riveting gameplay I've ever played here.
Yeah, I mean, it's like this guy is throwing up rocks and other guys, and the other guys, and they're all, and this next smaller guy throws up another guy. He's 1.7 million, 1.6 million, 1.5, 1.3, 1 million, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, there you go.
And then there's one guy. Okay.
Now,
no
did you
remain.
get this?
Yes,
Completed.
world event completed. 13 or 1.3 million experience points. Claim your rewards at the chest.
Okay, that's interesting.
And this
Wow,
thing is
that's full.
full.
Yeah, absolutely full. But when we did the ones that we have already done, it was never this full. So I think they have like a first time increased loot thingy.
I was able to get it all though.
Okay, we need to TP to. I'm sorry again.
Okay, there's no bank or anything here, right?
Nope.
So you might as well. Yeah, we still have the teleport scroll.
And then right next to spawn is the air balloon. Yo, pull up.
A lot of stuff to identify.
Most of it's gonna be probably trash for me. Kind of pointless.
Interesting things to read though. I'll go here first. Okay, boiler. Wyncraft. Acid. We've done, looked at that acid before. The facetious. Lead lights. Amzi's brilliance. Esclavage. That's like 83.8%, so there's a circle around it. More acid. Synapse. Oh, an Aquarius piece. Achromatic gloom. Yeah. And a thing called aphotic. So it's a legendary item. This dark relic was found at the very bottom of the deepest trench of the ocean. It drains all light surrounding it, blinding everything in a strange abyssal darkness.
Sounds crazy.
Yeah. A lot of these is just really interesting lore to read.
For me, what I'm looking at the most is the fact that when we played through this game, there was so many things we could have done at so early a level that would not have been impossible for us to accomplish. Like some of the boss, what are they called? What are these called? The ones with the crown on the map. Like the boss altars? Yeah, boss altars, yeah.
Okay.
Those would have been really easy to do, you know, at the level, and they would have probably given us much better stuff pretty early on.
But I must say, the thing that is killing me is this phenomena of that I'm getting hit like tick, 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 tick. And then
Yeah.
all of a sudden there's like a million ticks, like in a very concentrated form.
Yeah.
And then as you can see, my health goes from pretty much full to empty.
Yeah. It's
I
pretty
can't
critical.
get that. What was it called?
The shield.
Heavenly trumpet.
Oh yeah. Hey, leave the balloon. We're going to the next thing while you
Okay.
talk.
So where do we go to?
We're going to go basically exactly the same spot. Do.
Yeah, I have to always figure out ways. Okay, you went down.
Well, yeah, their only way is to basically go down at this point. I'm gonna jump over the birds because they do too much damage. Alright, and then we still have another 600 meters into the ocean. Smash Buckling Brawl, that's what it's called. It's on this big ship.
It's on the ship, huh?
Yeah.
One minute.
Okay, I'm looking around for some cheaty spots.
Okay, good. You won't fall through then. Oh, excellent.
Okay, wait, let me
This
see.
is a very small circle. The only place that you can be is up there. If you're going to be shooting down.
Yeah, this is where another guy is.
But I mean, you could go even higher if you needed to.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, there's another guy there.
Ooh, okay, now I'm still within the circle, so I can... I wonder if being on the mast is actually a reasonable thing. How much time do we have? 1 minute left?
Yeah. Okay, what? I'm surrounded by cannonballs. I can kind of see what's about to happen.
You are now within the event radius. So yes, I can theoretically be like straight up though.
Yeah.
That's kind of funny.
Just
Okay.
hit everything.
Actually, yeah, I think my circle thing that I dropped will hit everybody in the entire circle.
Yeah, it comes pretty close.
"20 seconds. We're gonna be smashing the bird. Smash buckling."
Watch him turn all these cannons around and blast me.
Every single cannon goes around.
I just don't know where things are coming from.
Oh wow, I'm doing damage. Like holy moly, the damage.
Was that it?
There's more. Oh, the FPS drops is insane. Okay.
3 minutes left, one target remaining.
They aren't really surviving. I think you're war screaming. Oh, now there's a boss. He's looking at me. He's looking at me. He's really
Yeah,
angry.
he is looking at you.
He's
a
about to
rotten
die.
captain.
Make sure you do some damage to him. There you go. Oh, I'm stuck.
All right.
Okay, Nani. Hey, that wasn't that difficult.
Okay, so where's the chest? Okay, there it is.
Hey, that was nice and balanced. And I got a legendary sword from here. I guess I'll leave the keys here.
Yeah, I'm definitely leaving the keys in the box.
Yeah.
If we ever need them, then we will go get them, farm them. But to have all those keys is just irritating.
There's something in the Canyon of the Lost. Ooh! Is there a bank near us? There's Celshar. We can get to Celshar first. Okay, come with me.
Okay, go ahead and start running, and I will try to find a way off this boat.
What?
I can't jump over stuff like you can.
Yeah. Okay, follow me by the way, so we're gonna go directly into Celshar.
I'm somewhere. There's an island here.
You're saying Celshar, follow me on the right side.
You're on the right side, okay.
You can use the mini map to figure out where we're going. Oh, go south.
Which way is south?
Yeah. Use the mini map, or I can come get you.
South.
Yeah, there you go. I think we can easily make this one. We just need to get to Lutho.
Is this the place?
Yeah, this is Celshar. We just need to go get from the bank the Lutho scroll.
Yeah, I have to get to the other side to get a way on here.
Or do I have multiple Lutho scrolls? I don't. Okay.
I think I do.
I'm already TPing to Lutho.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, this was a really hard one. So you're gonna have to be... We have 1 minute 30 seconds left. I think you can make it if you are fast. I'm waiting here in Lutho, so I won't leave you behind.
I need to spend a moment here.
Okay, well then we're not making it. This was a pointless adventure. Yeah, we would have had to leave right now if you want to get there. Like, actually...
Okay, so which way is it?
It's over here. Follow me. Okay, I'm going into speed mode. It's basically all the way the road to the end and through the weird crystal breaking thing. You know? So we go through here. I'm gonna right click it, it rolls up. And then we go up this hill here. 22 seconds. 17 seconds. All the way to the top. Can you make it?
I don't know, because
9.
I am greatly slowed by stairs.
Oh, you can't make it. Yeah, you shouldn't have done that with thing. You shouldn't have done it. Because now these...
Are you already gone?
Well, it would have started a minute ago.
A minute ago.
Or like, you know,
That's
like
ridiculous.
like a second ago.
Yeah. Well, that's just stupid.
Well, yeah, honestly, this one's on you, though. Like, because I said, hey, we need to leave right as you get to Lutho, and you're like, hey, I have to, give me a second. Let me go touch this here, identifier. So now I'm running back
remember,
to Lutho.
never take anything that is so little time, because it seems to
3
always...
minutes. It was 3 minutes. It was like, absolutely...
I tell you what.
I think we could have done it.
This is one gripe that I have about this, is that the warning times on these things is way too low.
You gotta be quick. Gotta be expedient. I gotta need... What do we have? There's 1 in 3 minutes, Ancient Nimract. You
But
think you can make that?
now I've got a full inventory, and I'm now doing this.
Okay, well that makes sense. We have 3 minutes, so we can easily do this and still make it. Plus 60 health regen. That's pretty insane. For like a level 50 item. Alright, then when you're ready, we will, what is it called? Go to Nemract. Are you ready?
Ooh, I'm trying to hurry.
We still have 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so no worries.
Yeah, I'm now teleporting to Nimrect.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
What?
They had a candy cane in the as their weapon.
So how far away are we?
Like 150.
Are we going to ancient Nimrect?
Yeah. Turn a little bit right. I think you went slightly too. You went way further than you needed to. Over here. Here we go. This also has a tree.
Okay, this is a different place than I thought.
This is ancient Nemrect. This whole area is considered oh. Hateful echoes erupt. Now is this considered? You are now in the range. Wow, that's stupid. I'm at the top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Yeah.
I have to heal a little bit though, because I keep slowly disappearing.
A lot of guys here.
Yeah, but they're down there. Hey, what's their server? Is it AS6?
Yeah.
Okay, so
EU,
the
EU6.
okay, the EU6 guy is solo, but there's two AS6s then here. One guy's at the top, and one guy's at the bottom.
Ele 11 meters. Okay.
Oh wow, you're taking quite a bit of damage there. There's this one skeleton trying to run away.
You see more?
Yeah, all around you. Pretty critical amount of them actually. What's the skeletons doing out there? Yeah, they are trying to run away right here. Ah, the dude started throwing something at me. Where's that? Honey? One more wave. So this should be the boss. I feel like we have done this boss before.
I don't remember this one though, and all of these mobs I have not seen. Oh, but that guy, he kind of looks familiar.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's at 300k. There you go. I jumped down for the last wave because I thought, you know, why not?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Are you looting?
Yeah. Tried to leave all of the keys because, man,
Yeah.
Twisted Pit, Underworld Crypt, Time Lost Sanctum.
Hey, we have something called Risen Return in Nemract Plains starting in 1.5 minutes, which we can
That's
do.
Yeah, that's close enough.
Alright, are you following me? Oh, you got here instantly. Did you do something?
No, I just kind of figured it was in this direction, so I flew there.
I'm gonna go in the tree again.
All right.
Here's some healing. Just to keep everybody at 100%.
Well, where is the sign, actually?
You don't see the world event sign?
It's such a big area. I was trying to find it.
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of do like the fact that they have different sized things. You know?
You mean mobs or what?
No, but like the circles. The circles are a different size.
Oh,
of
yeah.
Different place.
Oh,
you're in a plains. It makes sense that it's massive, and then when
Yeah.
you're on a ship, it makes sense that you're.
I mean, look at how far away I am from you.
Yeah, and I'm not even at the edge or anywhere near it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna still unmark it though, because I feel like most of my click to untrack. Yeah, there you go. Less clutter on the screen. Just aggro everybody in the whole area and we'll see what happens. Oh, did they dig underground? They did! Watch out.
Yeah, they're coming out of the ground. Oh, this is funny.
Oh, but are they gonna not die ever?
They're harder to kill because they're underground half the time.
Well, they will then... I will probably then have like an infinite abyss of these dudes underneath me. Isn't that problematic? Three targets remaining, so I guess they don't consider these guys targets.
Are they behind you?
I don't know. Oh, there's a massive skeleton underneath me. Or maybe it wasn't. Holy moly. Okay, well, I'm just gonna be down here. This is clearly slightly easier than what we need to. And there's just like a swarm of them. You can't see much. What is this? Second to last.
Sailor Rosa's cousin's skull. That's hilarious. Okay.
Is this the boss? Sailor Rosa was the brother of the guy from the
Brother's
church.
return. He has an axe.
And
Oh,
then
that's
complete.
wild.
That was nice and easy. And then leaves the keys, you know, in there. Okay, well, now I go to Nemrac to clear my inventory. Unless there's another one right here.
No, because I need to clear my inventory. I'm pretty much full.
Roots of Corruption, Canyon Gateway, Almouche Desert. There's one in Almouche Desert in 2.5 minutes. What do you think of that one?
Let's see how quickly I'm able to clear everything because I have so much now.
And this is kind of a bad spot because there's the blacksmith is on the other side of the store, or the shop, or the bank. So you have to run all the way to the other side.
Okay, I have the Berserk legendary item forged from unbreakable obsidian areas ago. This heavy hammer has crushed many foes with a single swing. And Redicine legendary item. Many old mages had to perform lengthy incantations to make potent even their simplest spells. A mage cursed to be mute, however, brought upon a revolution to spellcasting through this simple wand.
Wow. Yeah, because the other guys were trying to rip magic basically through reality. You know.
Oh, come on.
Also,
I'm an idiot. He's not the blacksmith.
so did you refresh it?
Yes, I redid everything. I tell you what.
The money loss is insane on this one.
Yeah. When you, that's why I don't like hurrying, because I start making so many mistakes.
Yeah. Tell me when you're ready to TP to Alamush.
I'm not gonna make it because I
Alright, don't do it. Okay. Then we wait for the next one. But
I start making so many mistakes that I just lose everything, so I can't do it.
By the way, let's not worry about the Otherworldly exhibition till later, because it seems to show up semi-often, but it's super difficult. And I think I even saw, Tree Chicken have a trouble trying to kill.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
It's the last one. From all the events. I'm pretty sure it's the level is the highest.
Yeah.
104. Yeah. The highest level is the Annihilation. Yeah. Highest level is Annihilation, and then second highest is Otherworldly Exhibition. So that kind of gives you the idea of what type of business is going on. And don't TP to Almush now, because we are still waiting for the next events to start. Man, doing events really lets time pass really fast, because now it's already almost 4 o'clock. Not 4 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah.
What? 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Freaks out. Let me go get my phone. Okay.
Yeah, that Canyon of the Lost is like 20 seconds now.
Wait, say that again? I kind of hear you because I was on the other room.
That Canyon of the Lost is 20 seconds now. So rough and tumble.
Yeah, well, we're waiting for other ones to show up, because there's a ton of world events going on right now, but you can see they're all green.
Which means we've done them?
Yeah, and unless we want to repeat ones, then there's no point in doing the green ones.
Yeah. It's interesting, the ones that have the check mark and the ones that don't have the check mark.
What do you mean, the right next to the recommended? That check mark it?
No, because I have this, this list, right? I have 2 blue ones. I have let's say 8 green ones, and then the rest are check marks underneath it.
Oh yeah.
I don't understand why some do not change to the check mark.
So do you see the ones that are green boxes?
Yeah.
Those are active ones, and then the check mark ones are non-active ones. So
well, how do I not remember this?
I mean,
so they will change.
Why do you need to remember it? I don't
because
think it matters.
I think I keep covering the exact same thing every time. Because
no, I think you've said this max
forget.
This is now the second time you've talked about this max.
I think it's at least 5, because I mean seriously.
No, but you might have thought about it in your head, but this is the first or the second time you brought it up, in my opinion.
All right.
It's not like you're losing your mind or anything, because I don't know. Also, new blue ones have showed up for me. Battle of the Roots.
Okay, nothing has showed up for me, so maybe I go back.
You don't have Battle. Oh, well, what if you have?
Okay, now here it is.
Do you have Battle of the Roots?
I'm tracking it this time because this is really messing me up, not having an exact location.
We could probably just TP to Tempo Town with this weird rock, and then just walk over.
All right.
This I made the worst sound I've ever heard. I think it was like something like shoo, shoo, and then you got TP and it's horrible. Make
Okay,
sure
well
you don't right click anywhere near it.
that gave us 300 meters anyway.
Yeah. Very fast. Also, it's still 3 minutes, so it's not like we're in an insane hurry, you know, to get there. By the way, they're in the middle of the corruption, so we have to go down into the caves. Fire does so much damage, it's insane.
Yeah. This is the prelude to the annihilation.
The prelude, yeah. Just, you know, if you think you can't survive this, then you can definitely not survive that other thing, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just looking, how big is the area? It's pretty small.
So Boughs of the Roots world event, Roots of Corruption. Plunge yourself into the burning guts of the corruption, and its destructive forces will come to greet you. So part of the rewards on all of these that we have been doing is the Time Lost Sanctum Key, Underworld Crypt Key, and the Sand Swept Tomb Key.
They're... Oh, yeah. So just leave those ones.
Yeah.
The Boughs of the Roots. But I like the fact that we are actually getting a lot of these done, like that. The pace has been pretty up.
Yeah.
You know?
I kind of like the ones where you got a chance to see the mobs really well, because somebody has done a lot of work, you know, to make all of those graphical representations of bosses and mobs, and they have done really good work to make them look like something.
Yeah.
You know, something worth fighting.
Something worth fighting. Unlike the ones in Nibla Forest that just spawned a bunch of chickens on you. What?
I don't remember that one.
I'm gonna check if there's a name for it. What would it be? Approaching a raid, skill inspired. One sec. Desperate ambush, burning memory. Peculiar grotto.
This has a very small area.
Haywire. I don't know. I just felt like we did something with an attack on chickens, like a chicken attack. I don't know. It happened in the Nibla Forest, so...
Okay, start.
Ah! Well, I got second in here then.
So they have this guy called Morning Star.
That is another name for Satan.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly.
And this is Basin something.
This might not be so difficult based on the guys just evaporating.
Yeah, this is kind of surprising. This would give you a false sense of, oh wow, okay. Infernal Glare. That's brilliant.
That guy does a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Because I'm already taking critical. Oh,
okay, so there's a lot of those. But I can't get to them.
No, I'm going awakened. I'm gonna kill them like that. Where's the other guy, Noni? They don't seem to target you. Oh, that was it. Okay. Wow, that was really fast. Okay.
Yeah, okay, this was very low level.
Make sure you don't take bad potions.
Yeah, I've been doing that accidentally because I forget. I'm sure that if I checked my potions.
Okay, that's too far. We can't make it to Mesa. Toxic waste. Pestilence downpour 6 minutes. This one's in Lutho, right next to Lutho, and there's a city next to us, I think, with a bank. Well, Tempo Town has a bank. Okay, well, come with me.
But I think they also didn't. They finally get a bank at this place right here next to us.
That is Tempo. Oh, you mean this town? Well, let's go check it out and see if they have one. Because I'm assuming you mean this.
Yeah. Didn't they finally
think so.
get? Okay, how do you get in there?
I think we made a mental note that this did not have a bank. I'm gonna go to Tempo Town because it's like just a couple of meters more.
Okay, yeah, I don't see anyway very easily or quickly.
And the map doesn't say anything about it, so... Okay, I'm in Tempo Town now. Blacksmith.
Almost made it.
Okay, and then we need to take the Lutho teleport scroll. The bank's over here, by the way.
It's when you almost make something. So Lutho?
Yep.
I mean, seriously, that was messed up. You're like in midair, and then it's like, oh, nothing left, and you drop it deep into the water.
Jumps in straight in the ocean. We have enough time to do some goopy business before the thing starts, so yeah, identify stuff and sell it.
Okay, Sanguine Spalder. Legendary item. Blood, gore, and bone fragments have congealed to your shoulder with the power of sheer corruption. The longer the mass is attached to you, the more of you it takes when you try to remove it. It's pulling towards something. So I think we got it from that last place.
Yeah.
We need to keep the Lutho scroll. Hello?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'd leave that, and then I'm coming.
Alright, are you ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Where are we going to this time?
It looks like we might need to go up the stairs here. Because
I hate the stairs
looks...
because they take me forever to go up. And I can't fly up them.
You just walk.
Yeah, but whenever we're in a hurry, if we have to go upstairs, they are like...
We're not in a hurry. Two and a half minutes.
I will be defeated by the stairs.
Look at this. My tower is just following me. What is going on? Almost summoned another one of these. If it follows me and does damage and heals everybody around, that's perfect.
Yeah. Guy called Greenfoot. Like Bigfoot?
Yeah. Okay, this doesn't also seem like a spot which is kinda...
Okay, potential downpour is what this is called. Okay, this is not a hole.
Pestilential?
What is this guy?
I would call it pestilential.
Don't kill everything. Try to read their titles. Oh yeah, pestilential downpour.
Yeah. Okay, this one I can't do anything funny. So...
Okay, but this is a huge area as well. So it goes out to here.
A minute and a half? Or a minute and 20,
to over here.
Lutho citizens, and then weird worms are attacking us.
Casual flop.
Are these like on our... This guy's on our server. We could theoretically, wait. Maybe we can invite these guys to our lobby. No, let him, you know, do something on his own. 22 seconds. He's a arrow man.
Yes, Archer.
Yeah.
He gives other people. He gave a speed boost for 3.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really wild.
Honey. Alright, these guys at least have not hit me once, so they don't do much damage based on that. Okay, next wave. Okay, these guys might not have damage scaling because we are the level of the quest or the world event. So, since we were able to do the quests of this level, am I poisoned?
Yeah, we're poisoned.
Oh, mega dude, mega dude, mega dude! Holy moly! I'm taking major damage. Hey, are you gonna help?
I'm trying to stay alive. Hello.
It's not good enough.
Where is the guy? I don't see anything.
I'm taking like all the time damage, so I'm guessing it's like the idea is it's the rain. The rain's killing us. I think that's the idea. I'm trying to heal us, by the way, with the totems, and it is working. Okay, new guy. Okay, I was like near death there. Hey, it wasn't that difficult. Look at that. And I think I'm just taking damage all the time. I think I was given like some kind of like permanent
Do you see
effect.
these things falling on us?
Holy moly! I got like an LE. I got 2 LE from this. And what do you mean falling? Oh, what's happening here? Hey, yo, what is happening here? I'm going under the roof. Okay, I want to leave this area before I die.
Yeah.
You know, severe damage having.
I'm like running a little bit.
Yeah, I'm going to Lutho.
I'm just gonna check a couple of chests that I've seen.
Okay, I'm in Lutho. I'm now also checking all the items. But that's cool. I got like, yeah, 3 to 4 LE from there. Because I didn't have that earlier. And there was a bunch of blocks and LEs. Like, let's go, dude. Darkened Minds. Lifesteal Walk. Main attack damage. That's not very strong. Ooh. A cool bow with pretty good percent. Elemental spell damage minus 55%. It's going in the trash.
I guess something was following me or something, trying to kill me.
Did you get whacked by something?
I don't know. I just keep dying or something to something.
When I got to Luthor, I stopped dying, at least by default. But that was cool that had like a, oh, this is easy, but you're taking consistent damage, which makes it hard.
Yeah.
That was cool in my opinion.
Okay, I have a lot of stuff.
Okay, looking at the next thing. You know?
Yeah, don't even think.
Hey, quick! There's an Almush Desert in 20 seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
15. This is, 50 seconds. I mean, we could also basically just leave it off here because it's almost 2 o'clock. Or continue, up to you.
Yeah, it's probably
You could
best to quit at this point.
Yeah, do your inventory though.
Because we've been going over quite a bit.
Yeah. Oh. Do. But that's cool that now I know how to summon items from the quests mod.
Okay, here's one called Stellar. Legendary item. Elementally attuned gemstones are melded together to form the singular marvel found on this pendant. Despite the violent smithing process, the jewel is utterly flawless.
Plus 25 and everything. A lot of health, mana, walk, spell. Oh, spell damage. And main attack is 22. Or the max is 22. That's pretty good. 22% in, like, basically all damage is quite good.
Yeah, I don't know whether I should keep that or not, because it seems like a pretty good piece.
I'm gonna check the market and see what the market says about your opinion.
Yeah.
It was called, what was it called?
Stellar. Stellar.
Ooh, way. Okay, Noni. Least expensive. Yeah, just sell it. It goes for, or what percentage you got?
62.1.
There's one for 72 at 11 blocks, so just sell it, yeah.
Yeah. Right. Always interesting when somebody jumps right in front of you and you can no longer access the chest.
And it's weird because the ghosts stop you from touching the chest, so I'm assuming they're doing it with armor stance still. You know? But so do players. I don't know. I don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't think this guy understands.
Understands what?
I'm trying to blackmail people to do stuff, okay? I said, dear monkey, do a black backflip or be banned.
Shit.
And then they just get a goose. What I don't understand is why this Wyncraft doesn't add like voice chat when it's so easy to implement.
It's it's maybe easy to implement, but it you always have to think that or understand that every time you implement something on a game like this, it's going to cost you a lot of money. And if you are not making a lot of money or enough money from subscriptions, ranks, etc., then
It might not be worth
yeah,
the calculus.
they can't afford it.
Yeah. Okay. Because I always thought, okay, it would be really cool. Imagine you and your friends are playing, and then a random dude comes up and says something to you, and you're like, "Hey, what's up, dude?" There's like a whole. You feel like there are people playing this game.
Yeah. All right, so let's end for today.
All right. I guess I'll Alt F4. I do that, and I do the ending screen. It was a
Okay.
nice, calm stream. Got some stuff done.
Yeah.
All right. Nothing
And
too
then
interesting. It is
I
Friday,
d-
so I guess I'll say have a good weekend.
Yeah, I will. At this current time, I will say that I am still available on Monday, but we will have to see.
Yeah. I'll see if I'm available on Monday. We don't know. Because of I haven't been told about the plans for the weekend.
Yeah.
And then Marple said something about wanting to do something on Monday.
Okay.
About the wedding, so we'll see. I'll send you a message on Sunday evening if we're doing something on that day.
All right.
All right. Well, it was fun. I'm probably gonna do more quests. And
That's really good. Very good practice. And you're coming up with some great ideas. So
you know what you can do is, okay, I realized, okay, you can very easily make it so that when you right click something with a custom ID item, you can make it a key. And so we could literally make a quest where when you get to a position, you're given a custom item that is the same ID as the key needed for another quest location. All kinds of stuff can be done.
Yeah, I also noticed that you could, when you drop these chests, you could have the chest have a book in it with, information or lore or whatever. Yeah,
easily you could. So, I mean, why not try all kinds of stuff? I think I'm gonna definitely try.
Quests has been opened.
Oh yeah. By the way, the next care package being added is the space what is it called?
Yeah.
Lunar project or whatever we want to call it.
Yeah, I think that would be brilliant if you can pull that one off.
Because you can theoretically also TP people, and what I would want to learn is, okay, in Minecraft and in servers, you can make people join dimensions that don't exist. You can make dimensions with plugins, right? It's quite easy if I have understand it correctly. So I could literally just make a dimension called the moon and be like, oh, when you right click this package, you get first, shot up in the space and then TP'd into the dimension of moon, and you have to survive on the moon trying to figure out how to, because you can make it so that when you're on moon, your air bubbles go down.
Yeah.
You can do stuff like this, and you could theoretically make it like a survive the moon quest.
Yes. Give them just enough air to survive to get to airlock and get in something.
Make it so that you can, if you have the air mask on, it slowly goes down in durability. You can do something like that. You can fix it with something you found on the lunar surface, like some kind of plant.
Yeah.
You could do so much, dude. You know what? We're actually gonna start really working on this stuff because I feel like it'd be cool to make a plugin dimension.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a lot of that, so All right, but I say goodbye.
All right.
I guess at this point, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
You too, and a weekend.
Yeah.
Disconnected.
Disconnected, like it always goes. You have now watched full stream. There's no more after this.